Joint Ma Intelligent Gantry Bedboard Sticker Wire Spreading Machine is an advanced equipment that can provide customers with efficient and accurate wiring solutions. Has already obtained the National Invention Patent. The equipment is independent research and development, imitatio, and will be investigated. The machine has a wide range of applications, including electric heating paintings, electric mattresses, sweat steaming room floor heating bed board, household electric bed board, Tatami electric bed board, yoga room electric floor heating, etc. It is suitable for various materials and sizes of bed boards. It has an ultra-wide sewing range of 2000 mm. 1 minute can accurately wiring 20 meters, which can meet the production needs of different customers. The machine uses high-quality bed board materials and advanced automation technology, which can quickly and accurately complete spreading work. The automatic feeding function reduces manual burden, and the automatic positioning function ensures the accuracy and stability of the circuit. After wire spreading is completed, automatic wire cutting function will cut the heating wire and adhesive paper, achieving a fully automated workflow. Using internationally renowned brand core spare parts, it can accurately control the direction and position of the circuit. Equipped with PLC control system 5.7 LCD touchscreen makes operation support computer mapping and USB data import function more intuitive and convenient. Machine adjustment is convenient, maintenance is simple and fast, and operators can operate proficiently after training. One person can operate multiple machines, greatly saving labor costs and improving production efficiency. Joint Ma is for automated customization and innovation.